A very good morning to all of you, students of class 5. How are you all? Are you fit and fine? Okay, good. So, students, now there's our English grammar term today. So, students, without taking time, let's start to open your English grammar book and take out the chapter number first. Chapter number first. And students, we explain about the sentence formation before this worksheet. I hope so all have understood. And now today I am here with the worksheet of this exercise. So though I know those who have completed, that's good, but you have to just match your answers by this worksheet. आप क्या करेंगे, आपने जो भी आंसर राइट किया है और कंप्लीट किए आपने एक्सरसाइजेस, तो एक बार मीन्स एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम यू विल चेक योर आंसर by this worksheet, today's worksheet. Okay, so let me explain you firstly. Rewrite the following groups of jumble words as meaningful sentences. Remember to begin each sentence and the capital letter and put a full stop, an exclamation mark or question mark and its end. Okay, so students, there are given some sentences and which are the group of jumble words. Then you have to make it a meaningful sentence by using these jumble words, and you will start the first letter as you all are informed to begin each sentence with a capital letter, and then according to the sentence then you will put their full stop or exclamation mark or question mark at the end of the sentences. Okay, clear? Okay, so let me tell you the first one. Goes school Manu to every day. So the meaningful and the correct order, we will make sentence like Manu goes to school every day, and at last there will be a full stop. ठीक है, Manu goes to school every day. मनु जो है वो एवरीडे स्कूल जाती है. ठीक है, ये आपका फर्स्ट हो गया. नेक्स्ट है सेकेंड नंबर, सर्कस द enjoyed children the. So let's come to make a complete and meaningful sentence. What will be that? The children then walked, enjoyed the circus, and then full stop. The children enjoyed the circle. You will match your answer, students. Clearly, सब अच्छे से match कर लेंगे. And those who have not done, they will do it in notebook and test book. Notebook not test book. Third number, am very happy I today. Am very happy I today. What will be that? Today I am very happy. Today I am very happy. Put there full stop. Next, is Anuja dancer a graceful? Let's come to arrange these in order. And that will be Anuja is a graceful dancer. क्या होगा, क्या सेंटेंस आपका होगा? Anuja is a graceful dancer and full stop. Done. नेक्स्ट आपका है हैज़ बीचेस गोवा ब्यूटीफुल. हैज़ बीचेस गोवा ब्यूटीफुल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक योर सब्जेक्ट गोवा and after has your helping verb. Okay, and that's given your adjective beautiful and then object beaches. गोवा हैज़ ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस. गोवा के पास बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस हैं. ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप. Next will be that God delayed the train. God delayed the train. How will you make a complete sentence? First of all, subject. The train got delayed. The train got delayed. Full stop. ठीक है. Next है faithful is animal the dog. So sentence will be the dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal, and at last you will use full stop. The dog is a faithful animal. Next है, next word आपका है are when you for living कोलकाता. तो आपका सेंटेंस होगा when are you living for कोलकाता. मीन्स आप कोलकाता के लिए कब लिविंग कर रहे हो. ठीक है, When are you leaving for Kolkata or Calcutta, you can say. And students, there is your question type sentence, because there is a question type word, question word, that's a when, what, why. Okay, these are your question type word. So you cannot put the full stop, you will put question mark there. Okay, yes, so at last there should be question mark, like, don't be forget to put it. Next है, is now it raining heavily. Sentence will be, it is raining heavily now, and there will be a full stop. It is raining heavily now. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आपका है, loves चिंतामणि grandparents his. We will make a complete sentence, meaningful sentence, and it will make sense also, complete sense. That will be your चिंतामणि. चिंतामणि loves his grandparents. चिंतामणि जो है अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को लव करती है या करता है. ठीक है, लव करता है. चिंतामणि loves his grandparent, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट को चिंतामणि लव करता है. ठीक है, completed. So you will match your answers from here. Now we will move to the next chapter, that is your chapter number 2. क्या है आपका ये चैप्टर नंबर 2. सो लेट्स ओपन दिस पेज नंबर एंड शो मी यू द पेज नंबर 6. ओके, sentences. Today we'll read about sentences and their kinds on page number 6. So start to read. Look at these sentences. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, चलिए हम देखते हैं इसको. The school team departed for America yesterday. The school team departed for America yesterday. Next है, what a beautiful dress. Next sentence, are you coming to Mumbai? Next sentence, all the children are playing in the stadium. Next, clean the table. Okay, students, so as you can see and identify, all the sentences are complete sentence. They are meaningful also, but they are having their different types. And how can you identify? First of all, you can identify by getting the meaning of the sentence, and second thing will be you can identify by getting the marks, like question mark, full stop, exclamation mark, etc. Okay, in first sentence there is a full stop, in second sentence there is an exclamation mark, in third sentence there is a question mark, and in there is a full stop, and again you have a full stop. चलिए, we will learn some more things by these passages. The first and the fourth sentence are stating something. चलिए देखते हैं. The first and fourth, yes, फर्स्ट और फोर्थ सेंटेंस जो हैं वो हमें कुछ बता रहे हैं, कुछ कह रहे हैं, कुछ स्टेट कर रहे हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड assertive or declarative sentence or statements. So what do we call to this type of sentence? What will you call to this type of sentence? Sometimes you can call assertive, after that declarative, and then statements. These are the same things. Okay, because they are saying or stating something. Statement you can say. Next, such sentences end with a full stop. So this type of sentences always end with a full stop. इस तरह की जो सेंटेंस होती है वो हमेशा उसकी एंडिंग फुल स्टॉप से होती है. ठीक है, लाइक यू, यहाँ देखिए, लाइक योर फर्स्ट एंड लाइक योर फोर्थ. The second sentence expresses a sudden feeling of pleasant surprise. Second sentence, what a beautiful dress, है ना. second sentence, ये जो आपका second sentence है, expresses a sudden feeling of pleasant surprise. It is expressing a sudden feeling. ये एक sudden feeling, अचानक से आने वाली feeling और pleasant surprise को यहाँ पे show कर रहा है. What a beautiful dress. ठीक है. It is an exclamatory sentence. I told you na, it is a type of exclamatory sentence. An exclamation sentence ends with an exclamation mark, or exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark. और exclamatory जो sentence होते हैं वो हमेशा they always ends with an exclamation mark. जो कि ये आपकी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क है, ठीक है, ये वाली। द थर्ड सेंटेंस आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, ये जो आपकी थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस है, इट इज़ आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन आस्क कर रहा है ना, सो इट इज़ एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, इसलिए ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है। एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, और इंट्रोगेटिव जो सेंटेंस होती है वो हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क से ही, क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ ही इसकी एंड होती है, कंप्लीट होती है। द फिफ्थ सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेस कमांड, ये जो 5 सेंटेंस है, क्लीन द टेबल, यहाँ पे एक ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है, कमांडिंग की जा रही है बाय समवन। इट इज़ एन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस, ये आपका क्या है, इट इज़ योर इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस, एंड एन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप, और जो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं वो हमेशा फुल स्टॉप से ही एंड होते हैं, ठीक है। सो हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी गॉट टुडे? A sentence that has stated something, that's called declarative, assertive, or statement. Second sentence, second type, a sentence that asks question, that will be interrogative or question type sentence. Third number, a sentence that expresses a certain feeling, that's called your exclamatory sentence, and that will be ends with an exclamation mark. 4 number है आपका a sentence that expresses a command or request or any advice, that's called your imperative sentence, and it's end with also a full stop. So how many types of sentences we got today? We got 4 types of sentences. First आपका statement, assertive or declarative, second आपका interrogative or question type, third आपका exclamatory, and 4 number is also about imperative. Means in today's worksheet we all have read about the 4 different types of sentences explanation. Hope so all have understood. So students, after that you have to just do the exercise, okay, on the basis of these types of sentences, okay. So let's do your exercise. Now next day I'll come with the worksheet of this. Now thank you, have a good day.